This is Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 26. Read the objective out loud while I read it. I can divide decimal dividends by two-digit divisors, estimating quotients, reasoning about the placement of the decimal point. So we're going to be focusing on estimating quotients, and we're going to be thinking about where do we put that decimal point. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with our fluency practice. So you're going to rename the tens and the hundreds. So you're going to write this in decimal form. Dividing decimals by multiples of 10. How do you move that decimal when you divide? Then backside, you're going to estimate the quotient. So I just want to see your estimate. What are you going to estimate each number to? And then what are you going to estimate the answer of the quotient? Then here is our application problem. You're going to go ahead. I would try to do the estimate solve check just to check your work. So as soon as you finish that, come on back and let's debrief. All right, so here we go. 10 tenths is 1.0, 9.3, 80.0, 0.09, because it has to be in the hundredths, 90 hundredths. Here you go. 970 hundredths, 97.00, and hundredths. And then we have 84.17. We have 9.0, 10, 48.3, because you have to have the 3 in the tenths. We have 10 hundredths, 97 hundredths, 800 hundredths, then 5,946 hundredths. Then when we come down to our 12 tenths divided by 3 is 0.4. 96 tenths divided by 3 is 32 tenths, or 3.2. Then 8 divided by 40 is 5. Then we have 1.2 divided by 30. No, sorry. I was doing this backwards. It should be 0.2 because 40 has to come over here. How many times will 40 go into 8? Won't. Add a decimal, 0 has to be 0.2. Then we have 1.2 divided by 30, and we are getting used to moving the decimal. So 1.2 divided by 10 divided by 3 is 0.12, divided by 3 is 0.04. Then 9.6 divided by 10 divided by 3 is 0.96, divided by 3 is 0.32. And then how many times will 5 go into 0.45 is 0.09. Oh, and down at the bottom here. 0.45 divided by 10 divided by 5 is 0.45, divided by 5 is 0.009. All right, then let's come on over here. Estimating the quotient, 15 divided by 13 is 0.5. 2.53 estimated divided by 40 is 4 divided by 40 is 0.1. And 29.8 divided by 31 is 31 divided by 30 is 1. Then I just simply divided straight in and I got 16 remainder 9. Remember to check, you would go 12 times 16 plus 9, right? Then 45 divided by 729 is 40. It gives you 16 remainder 9. So 45 times 16 plus 9 to check your answer. All right, that will do it for our fluency today. Come on back for concept development.